Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Toyota wrote the book on hybrids, so it's no surprise the Avalon hybrid is such a strong performer. What you might not expect is how good it looks outside and how luxurious it is inside. It's the perfect balance of style and efficiency. Choose from 3 models, starting with the well-equipped XLE Plus and up through the luxurious Limited. Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive system combines with a continuously variable transmission to deliver up to 40 miles per gallon and a super low emission vehicle rating in a full-size sedan. Underbody diffuser panels and a super low 0.28 coefficient of drag help fuel economy and reduce wind noise inside the cabin, adding to the luxury, as does French stitching on the standard leather trim seats and other soft touch areas. Available 3-zone climate control, Entune premium JBL audio system, and much more make your Avalon hybrid a commuting sanctuary. And every Avalon hybrid comes with Toyota Safety Sense driver assist features and the Toyota Star Safety System. Choose from a variety of colors, wheels, and genuine Toyota accessories, and build an Avalon hybrid that's all yours. The Toyota Avalon Hybrid. It's a smarter choice.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.